Hello, everybody. My name is Rashel Anwar, and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today, our topic is Beauty of Nature, Unit 2 Caterpillar, Grade 4 English, based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Well, before we start, I have to tell you something that today is the last lecture of Unit 2. Then the next day we will be starting our Unit 3. Yay! I'm so excited. Are you excited? Comment down below if you're excited. So let's start. Writing. Learning to write. Write a paragraph on the life story of a butterfly using supporting details. Make sure to use the correct joining words such as and, but, and, because to join sentences within a paragraph. Read the following paragraph for help. First of all, where is the note? When we ever start our lesson, when we learn something, there is also a note. There is also a note on our page that we always read and we learn from that note what it means. So this is the note. Now let's read it. It says, read me. The main idea of a paragraph is called a topic sentence. Other sentences in a paragraph support the topic sentence. These are called supporting details. Well, it says write a paragraph on the life story of a butterfly using supporting details. You are going to do it yourself. The next paragraph is coming, and after this, when we read this paragraph, the next paragraph will be there. It's an activity. That one I am going to tell you, okay? Now, for now, the life story of a butterfly is yours. Now, let's read our paragraph which they have given us. Nature. Nature is a blessing and a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for us. Nature is made of everything around us. Flowers, trees, insects, the sun, the moon, hills, rivers, etc., are part of nature because they help us a lot in our daily lives. They help us breathe and get food, water, etc. Animals, insects, and birds also get food and shelter from nature. Nature is very important for us in everyday life. Save me. It says creative writing. Write a paragraph on saving Earth in your notebook. They have given us a picture and it is about saving Earth. Save me. There's the Earth and the person is holding a hand like this and the Earth is in the middle of the hands. So I have written a paragraph for you so you will know how it is, okay? We will write it on saving Earth. So let's start. Our Earth is the only planet where life exists. We should save it. We should not cut trees. Rather, We should plant more trees. We should make it a green planet. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next lesson.